welcome to my channel, Beautiful You. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful look. Alright guys, so first what we're going to do, we're going to take our concealer, and I'm going to be using this mirror here so that I can see what I'm doing. But you're going to take your concealer. This one has a brush on the end, so it kind of helps a little bit. And you're just going to apply it to your lid. Then you're going to take your eyeshadow brush, which is the one by e.l.f., this white one here, and you're just gonna blend it all over your lid and make sure it gets everywhere you're gonna put that eyeshadow. So guys, one thing I did forget to mention, to get that sharp shadow and eyeliner look right here, you do want to get tape. You can use regular masking tape, you can use duct tape, whatever kind of tape you have at home. I use duct tape just because it's what I have. So you'll cut, and it doesn't hurt when you pull it off either. So you'll just rip a piece off like so, and then you rip this in half, and then you want to make sure you use the side that's not ripped to get your corners. So then you're going to get your palette and your brush, and we're going to be using the color Bouncy on our brow bone area. And you're going to take it and you're going to go from this outer corner where the tape is all the way to your inner corner. And just on that brow bone area, you're not gonna want to get your lid at all. Alright, now that we have that done, we're going to get our crease area, and we're mainly gonna focus on this outer corner into about midway. And with this one, you're going to get the brush that came with your Profusion palette, the Profusion brush, and we are going to take this color Bravo. And then we're going to go in with our concealer again. And you're going to get just that lid area from about crease just down to where this little mark is right here. So you don't want to get the full crease area. You don't want to get the whole lid. Just about to your brow arch area. From your arch to your nose. Just like that. you're going to grab either, depending on which palette you have, either your Golden Bar Revolution one or your Rimmel London Electric Violet one. I'm going to be using this one today. And we are going to be using this top white one as well as the one next to it. And we're just going to use our finger. What you're going to do, you're just going to dab your finger on it. And you're just going to go, and you can slide it a little bit, and it'll bring out that color. And you're just going to go back and forth between the two until you get like a light pinkish white glitter. And if you do have this one, if you are using this palette, I would recommend using this outer corner one. So then next we're going to grab our brush again, and we are going to blend it. So now that that's blended, we're going to go in with our liner. And to start out, I like to use this first one, the Professional Art Makeup Liquid Liner. And I like to use this one to get that wing. Sharp liner look. I'll get my Urban Decay glitter liner, and we're going to apply it just on the crease from the inner corner and to about midway, and you're just kind of gonna flick it to that midway part. We're going to grab our eyelash curler, and we're going to curl our lashes just a little bit. That way it can blend in with the curl of the falsies that we put on. Next, we're going to grab our mascara. I just used the Maybelline from Walmart. It's super cheap. So they're already cut to my size. If you have a new box, you want to make sure you measure it on your eye and cut it to your size. Alright guys, our lashes are on. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on them to make them stand out a little bit more, like how I like. I'm just going to apply some lipstick and we're done. And the lipstick I'm going to be using today is Jeffree Star Gemini. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope it's easy for you. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Share your pictures of how you did it. I want to see your look, guys. Also comment below what you would like to see next. Thanks, guys. Peace.